How much do you know about summer words in English? This video is the perfect solution. Here you will find a practical, quick, and easy guide to learn. Are you ready to go to the next level? So let's begin. Swim, swim. Let's swim in the pool. Sun, sun. The sun is shining brightly today. Beach, beach. We're going to the beach to build sand castles. Vacation, vacation. I'm excited for our summer vacation. Sand, sand. Let's build a sand castle with the sand. Pool, pool. I love swimming in the pool on hot days. Wave, wave. We surf the waves at the beach. Sunglasses, sunglasses. Don't forget your sunglasses on a sunny day. Flip-flops, flip-flops. I wear flip-flops to the beach. Umbrella, umbrella. Take an umbrella in case it rains. Bikini, bikini. She wore a colorful bikini at the pool. Lemonade, lemonade. I enjoy a glass of lemonade on hot days. Barbecue, barbecue. We had a barbecue in the backyard. Hat, hat. She wore a hat to shield from the sun. Juice, juice. I like orange juice for breakfast. Tent, tent. We pitched a tent in the campground. ball, ball. Let's play catch with the ball. Surf, surf. He learned to surf during his vacation. Picnic, picnic. We had a picnic in the park. Heat, heat. The heat makes me want to swim. Ice cream, ice cream. I love eating ice cream on a hot day. Swimsuit, swimsuit. She wore a swimsuit to the pool. If you want to learn English easily and quickly, be sure to subscribe to the channel and check out our next video that I'm leaving you around here.